Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I've come with the video on how to get Citrea invite code. I know many people that this method has actually helped. Now listen, these codes are limited and the earlier you act, the better your chances of getting it. So before we dive into it, a quick warning, there are a lot of scam links floating around. So to keep you safe, I will be leaving all the links I'll mention in the description. Please only use those links and don't fall for scam. So let's get into it. The first place to get a link, the first place to get an invite code is here. Zentra Finance is also one of the BAPs that you are unfreezing on the C3 task. So then on the Zentra Finance post, just search for invite code, then search for it, then you can see here, ready to unfreeze Zentra. Head over to this, join our Discord to get the latest updates and secure your invitation code for the campaign. So just check out and know if they are still giving. Then another place to also check out is the so this project is another project that is actually giving out invite code for the C3 task. So let's search for the code again, or you can decide to scroll down. You can see we had some of you need code, so let's make it fun. Drop your best reason in the comments for why you should get one. I'll be picking a few ternary to reward. So you can also check out this. You can try your luck and you might be lucky. So another place to get invite code is officially on the C3 Discord. So you join the Discord. I will proceed to the Discord, then you will see how you can get invite code. So let's proceed to their Discord so that you see how you can get invite code. You can also try on their Twitter, but it's not easy to get on their X handle. But on the Discord, you can actually get from members or you get from the group. So let's just proceed to their Discord so that I'll explain better. So this is Citrea Discord page. So when you register in the Discord, you scroll down, you will see where they said code sharing is caring. So you open it. People used to drop code here randomly, so you might be lucky, and you'll be very lucky to get a code here. So be very active here. A lot of people share code. You can also ask in the main group and you will get code. So I think that is all. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.